Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to pin an app to the Start menu in Windows 10. Pinning your favorite apps to the Start menu allows for quick and easy access, enhancing your productivity. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to pin an app to the Start menu. Let's get started. Step 1. First, select Start from the taskbar. You can find the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the Start menu opens, you have two options to find the app you want to pin. Step 2. Option 1. You can scroll through the list of apps in the Start menu to locate the app you want to pin. If you have a long list of apps, you can use the vertical scroll bar to navigate. Step 3. Option 2. If you prefer a quicker method, you can simply type the name of the app in the search box located at the top of the Start menu. Windows will automatically filter the results as you type. Step 4. Once you have found the app you want to pin, press and hold the app tile or right-click it to reveal a context menu. Step 5. From the context menu, select Pin to Start. This action will pin the app to the Start menu, creating a tile for easy access. By pinning apps to the Start menu, you can personalize your Windows 10 experience and have your most used apps readily available. Step 6. Congratulations! You have successfully pinned an app to the Start menu in Windows 10. You can repeat these steps to pin additional apps. Now, every time you open the Start menu, you'll have quick access to your favorite apps, saving you time and effort. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and enjoy a customized Start menu experience in Windows 10.